In a world filled with chaos and noise, how can we protect ourselves from harm while embracing what heals us? Imagine a life where nothing can disturb your peace, where insults, challenges, and chaos don't affect you. How powerful would that be? As Buddha said, peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Today, we'll explore ancient wisdom that helps not only to survive, but to thrive in tranquility. Join me as we uncover 12 timeless Buddhist principles that can transform everyday challenges into opportunities for personal growth, inner peace. Principle 1. Insult and offense. Buddha said, holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. This shows how anger harms us. When insulted, instead of holding on to anger, try responding with understanding or compassion. This approach turns negativity into a chance to build patience and strengthen your character, keeping your peace and fostering growth. Principle 2. Transform everyone into a teacher. See every encounter as a chance to learn. Every person you meet can teach you something. This doesn't mean you have to agree with everyone, but use their experiences and perspectives to reflect on your own beliefs and behaviors. This mindset fosters humility and appreciation for the interconnectedness of our lives. Principle 3. Transform envy into emulation. Instead of being jealous of others' good qualities, admire and adopt them yourself. Use envy to recognize what you admire in others and work on developing those qualities in yourself. This shift in perspective leads to personal growth and a more positive outlook on others' achievements. Principle 4. Be strict with yourself, but tolerant of others. Hold yourself to high standards while showing compassion to others. Strive for self-improvement and accountability, but recognize that everyone has their own challenges and limitations. Balancing self-discipline with tolerance cultivates personal integrity and harmonious relationships. Principle 5. No one can hurt you. No one can harm you as much as your own unguarded thoughts. True harm comes from within, not from outside. By mastering your mind and guarding your thoughts, you maintain inner peace regardless of external negativity. Practice mindfulness to observe your emotions without being overwhelmed. Principle 6. Power of acceptance. Peace comes from within. Acceptance means embracing life as it is, recognizing that both good and bad are parts of the human experience. Face reality with an open heart and mind, let go of the need for control, and trust the process of life. Acceptance brings profound peace. Principle 7. Remember, you must die. Reflecting on mortality helps us appreciate life and prioritize what truly matters. It encourages us to live mindfully, cherish each moment, and focus on our values and goals. Understanding the inevitability of death fosters humility and a deeper connection with others. Principle 8. The power of inner strength. Inner strength comes from cultivating a resilient and peaceful mind. Practice self-awareness, mindfulness, and meditation to understand and manage your thoughts and emotions. Develop equanimity, self-compassion, and personal boundaries to maintain mental and emotional stability. Principle 9. Don't sweat the small stuff. Focus on what truly matters and don't let minor issues disrupt your peace. Cultivate mindfulness and perspective. Practice acceptance and develop strong problem-solving skills. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation to maintain a positive outlook. Principle 10. Seek wisdom through solitude. Solitude allows for deep reflection and self-discovery. Use time alone for mindfulness and meditation, fostering creativity, self-reliance, and inner strength. Balance solitude with meaningful social interactions to enrich your life. Principle 11. Align actions with values. Live authentically by aligning your actions with your core values. Identify your values, set achievable goals, and practice mindfulness to ensure your actions reflect your principles. Surround yourself with supportive people and regularly reflect on your values to stay true to yourself. Principle 12. Build resilience. Develop mental, emotional, and spiritual strength to withstand life's challenges. Cultivate a positive mindset, practice self-compassion, develop strong coping strategies, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Embrace impermanence and foster a sense of purpose to navigate adversity with strength and grace. By integrating these 12 principles into your life, you can turn challenges into opportunities for growth and maintain inner peace amidst chaos. Remember, true strength comes from overcoming what you once thought you couldn't. If you found these principles helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and remember, your silent strength is your greatest asset. Stay peaceful, and see you in the next video.